Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best scented candles on Amazon. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 8 we have Chesapeake Scented Candle. The Chesapeake Bay Candle Mind and Body Collection Large Glass Jar Candle. It comes with lid is a fragrance-filled journey into wellness for the mind and body. A blissful fruity top of cassis cranberry and plum nectar smiles at the crest. It has rose and oleo meat in the middle with pink peppercorn as a note of a full-bodied red wine sings sweetly. It has cedar wood and mahogany ground. This fragrance as a touch of spice adds complexity to an overall light and gleeful air. At number 7 we have Lulus Scented Candle. To create a scented candle that you can actually smell. One that burns cleanly and is slow burning. A great candle that is not only beautiful but affordable. These candles are made with the highest quality of premium soy wax. These candles are known for its pure sophistication. And its long-lasting fragrances can fill any room. This Lulu candles burn clean with one of the longest burn times on the market. At number 6 we have Lavender Scented Candle. This lavender scented candle is made with the finest lavender fragrance that brings a relaxing and soothing effect. The scent is long-lasting and scented through the whole using process. You relax while satisfying the senses for the most pleasant aromatherapy experience. The candle is 7.8 ounces and can burn for 40 to 50 hours for a long-lasting scent. These soy candles burn clean to purify the air in your home and bring you maximized relaxation. The exclusively leather design covers from the lid to the color box. At number 5 we have Tricolor Scented Candle. This handcrafted soy wax candles are longer lasting, light up each one and fill the room with relaxing scents. Each candle weighs 4.6 ounces and has an average working time of 32 to 35 hours. The duration of 3 packs of soy-scented candles is about 100 hours, which is longer than other candles. The aroma released by lighting scented candles can create a comfortable atmosphere. And can also help you relieve stress and makes you relax and fun. At number 4 we have Lamp. It is made from premium soy wax and 8% premium oils without bad ingredients. It is equipped with the cotton wick minimize soot and irregular lump. The box is well designed with giftable packaging, which is a nice present for your family members, friends and your loved one. It has external craft paper and amber glass jars are practical. You are able to use them as home decoration. At number 3 we have La Jolie Scented Candle. This infused comes with the oil of the citronella plant. This classic scent combines a top note of green citrus with a bottom note of fresh clean fragrance. This citronella scented candles is smokeless and efficiently protects your home from being engulfed in harmful fumes. Its stripless feature ensures clean burning and spotless surroundings. This candle is made with naturally biodegradable and eco-friendly pure soy wax. At number 2 we have WoolyWoah Scented Candle. This scented candle's gift set includes 3 different essential oil fragrances: vanilla and jasmine, peony and cherry blue campanula. WoolyWoah Home Scented Candle Set construction is 95% natural pure soy wax and 5% essential oils. That's provides strong and fresh aromatherapy in a long time. Each scented candle is 13.5 ounces and burns up to 75 hours up to 225 hours total per set. When diffused, the rich calming aromatic fragrances of these scented candles help clean, deodorize and purify the air in homes. They also help to soothe emotions and relieve stress. Relaxation bath yoga. At number 1 we have Vuna Scented Candle. It is made with soy wax and cotton wicks. Soy wax candles have many benefits including long use time, which can create a good atmosphere and bring home warmth to help relax the body and mind with the perfect amount of charming fragrance. It's soy candles that we bring to you using premium soft highly refined extraction fragrances. This aromatherapy candles containers suit for decorating your home or store some little things once used up. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best scented candles on Amazon for your need.